Hello guys and welcome to the channel again. This is a video series on Google Maps platform. If you have ever wondered how those fancy maps on your mobile devices work, or if you want to learn and develop something like that sort of, this is the place to be. Alright, let's start with the very basic. Google Maps platform is one of the products from Google. To have access to the APIs that are present in Google Maps platform, you would need access to Google Cloud platform. If you do not have an account already with Google Cloud, I will suggest you go ahead and create an account. So just to give you a basic overview, Google is not the only company which provides you this information. There are companies like Here, MapQuest, and there are many open source libraries as well which you can use for these purposes. The very basic reason we use Google products, or most of the companies are using Google products, are because of course it comes in default with the Android phones, and whenever you have to search something you directly go and do a Google.
Google also has programs like Local Guides. It is an active global community where people write reviews, share photos, answer questions, add or edit places, and check facts on Google Maps for the places they visit. This keeps Google information about the places most updated and accurate. This is how you can contribute to Google Maps.
So that is the prime reason why companies want to go with Google Maps platform. The other reason is there are few APIs which are quite free with the Android devices, and I'll tell you more about that in my next videos. Google Maps platform is categorized in 3 different categories. The very first one is maps. The map could be a static map, a dynamic, it could be a street view, or a 360-degree map. All of these different kind of maps have their own capabilities, own limitations. We'll talk about this in the dedicated video where I'll explain each of these maps. The second category is routes. This category is more about directions, distance metrics, and routes API. All these 3 different APIs tells you how can you reach from point A to point B. Of course, like category 1, which is maps, all these 3 different APIs also have their own capabilities. And the third category is places. Places API includes geocoding, reverse geocoding, autocomplete, and many more APIs like that. And this is very useful when you want to locate your customer. All these different APIs which I just told you about works in 2 ways. Of course, you have to authorize your request with Google platform. You can do that by having an API key. The other way is to have a client ID in secret. One important thing, whenever we are talking about any of these APIs, just picturize an example in your head. You can picturize Uber, for example. You can picturize a food delivery service. It could be DoorDash, Uber Eats, anything like that sort of. That will help you connect the dots. Throughout this series, I'll be sharing some code snippet for your reference. You can use that code snippet and head start with your development. There is a lot of stuff to play around with Google Maps platform, be it directions, be it places, anything. So just stick with me and let's learn more about Google Maps platform. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.